many students. Today we are here to prepare temporary mold of leaf peel to sow stomata. You know very well what is stomata in plants, what is its role. Actually, stomata is present in leaf, it is minute pores. What is its role? Its role is it is helpful for two purposes. First one, it is for exchange of gases, and second one for transpiration. In detail, you can see its structure in detail in this diagram. In this diagram, open and closed stomata is shown. In first diagram, open stomata is shown and its stomatal pore is open. This stomatal pore is surrounded by two guard cells. Actually, guard cell guards its opening and closing. Each guard cell has one nucleus and large number of chloroplasts. Due to the presence of chloroplast, photosynthesis can take place there. Now, focus yourself in second diagram. In second diagram, closed stomata is shown. Here, stomatal pore is closed. This one is also surrounded by two guard cells. Each guard cell contains one nucleus and large number of chloroplasts. This stomata is present in between epidermal cell of lower surface or dorsal surface of dicot leaves. But in monocot leaves, it may present in both the surface. We will start preparing temporary mold of leaf peel to sow stomata. Which materials will be required for this? You can see here first, Rio leaves, slide, cover sleeve, forceps, needles, brush, watch glass, dropper, safranin and compound microscope. Same materials we will see here in laboratory. Here in this tray, Rio leaves are kept. First thing in this tray, Rio leaves are taken. Slide, forceps, cover sleeve. You can see here cover sleeve. Cover sleeve is like this. Rectangular glass. You can see this one is cover sleeve. Needle, forceps, brush. Here some other materials are present. Dropper, you can see dropper, needle, scissors. Here safranin is taken. You can see red colored safranin, which is widely used in for dye of plant parts when we are preparing temporary slide. Here glycerin is kept. You can see here this one is safranin and this one is glycerin. This one is petri dish where water is kept. Watch glass, knife, these things will be required for the preparation of temporary mold in laboratory. On a board, by passing through which steps you will prepare temporary mold. Look at here, 8 steps are given here. By passing through these steps, your temporary mold, your temporary slide will be ready. What you will do in first step? Actually, for this you have to take a freshly prepared leaf and remove the peel from the lower surface by tearing it. Now, second step, put the leaf peel in watch glass containing water. For which purpose? So that all the dust particles can be removed from it if it is present there. Now come to the third point. What you will do is add 2 to 3 drops of safranin and left it for 2 to 3 minutes. For which purpose? So that it can be dyed That means it can absorb sufficient amount of dye and each and every part can easily be distinguished. Now come to the fourth stage. Place the peel in slide with the help of brush. Come to the fifth stage. Put a drop of glycerin on slide over the peel for which purpose? So that it can't be dry. Then after that, cover sleeve over it. You must cover it gently so that no air bubble can enter there. Now after that, remove excessive glycerin with blotting paper if it is present there. Now your slide is ready to observe under microscope. You will observe it in compound microscope. You will first set it in 10x and after that set it in 45x. Let us go for preparing temporary mount. This is Rio leaf. We will pluck one leaf. Its surface is thick. You can easily understand this one is ventral surface or upper surface and this one is lower surface or dorsal surface. You will get stomata from the lower surface. First of all, you will press it gently and after that with the help of forceps, you will tear it so that thin slice can easily be taken. Yes, this is the thin slice. You can easily see here. This is the thin slice. We will put this thin slice in water. For which purpose? So that it can be easily, so that all the dust particles can be removed. Now transfer this one in glass slab. You can see here in the glass slab. This is the glass slab where material is kept. You can see the material. It is kept, but before transferring it on glass slab, you will transfer it in watch glass and add 2 to 3 drops of safranin. For which purpose it is already described. It can absorb sufficient amount of dye and its different part can easily be distinguishable. Now this material with the help of brush is again transferred in water so that extra dye can easily be removed and after that transfer this material on the glass slab. And then add 1 drop of glycerin here. And after that, after adding 1 drop of glycerin, you will cover it with cover sleeve. We will cover it with cover sleeve. Here cover sleeve is present. This cover sleeve will be pressed or covered gently so that no air bubble will enter here. And now our slide is ready to observe. First we will absorb extra glycerin with the help of blotting paper and after that we will set it in microscope. Let's go. Observe this slide under microscope. We will keep this slide near objective. Focus all the light here so that it can easily be observed. Now, with the help of coarse screw and fine screw, we will set it in such a way that it can easily be observed. Keep our eyes near eyepiece and set it firmly. Yes, it is clearly visible. I am taking its photograph so that you can easily observe it. In this experiment, you must take some precautions. Like peel should be taken from freshly plucked leaves. Second one, peel should not be allowed to dry. Third one, leaf peel should not be overstained. That means it's washing with water is very essential to remove extra water. Third one, the slide should not be dirty. Peel should be placed in center of slide. Place the cover slip gently to avoid entry of air bubbles. Now, thank you girls.